Hello everybody, Stock Picks by Tim coming back at you today, and I'm actually going to talk about a stock that a viewer mentioned in one of the comments, and I'm just going to go into the technicals. I'm going to talk about a catalyst coming up, and I'm going to check out the actual site and check a few things out there, but let's get into this video. Now looking over here at tip ranks, you've got Aquestive Therapeutics, looking at a 1380 price target, which is 204% upside, high of 28, low of 7, and strong buy with 6 ratings from 6 analysts. Now here we are at Aquestive's actual site, and they have been advancing medicine, solving therapeutic problems, improving lives for 12 years, 2 billion doses and counting. I actually wanted to show you guys, this is their main product here. It's actually pharma film, and what this is you basically put it in your cheek. It dissolves that way. It's for people that can't swallow pills or just someone that wants an alternative form of delivery of medicine. And they're mostly focused on epilepsy. Looking at their pipeline here, you see that their drug Libervant is actually coming through close to being marketed. And I wanted to also show you really quickly that they are negotiating they finished negotiating a 6-month extension to June 30th, 2022, so keep that on your radar for additional Libervant, which we were just talking about, related capital under the current debt agreement. This would provide access to $30 million in capital contingent on FDA approval. So we need FDA approval to happen and the US to be able to market this product. But that's exciting stuff. So that's a huge catalyst, which one thing to consider is this is a very polarizing stock. So, you know, this is kind of either like an all or nothing thing. If they get it, stock's going to shoot up. If they don't get it, stock's going to drop. You know, it all hinges on FDA approval. So those kind of polarizing stocks I typically stay away from, but you could always place a stop loss, and I might consider doing that. Or maybe just going with the call just to kind of YOLO into it and say screw it. But always with these kind of smaller caps, sometimes you can't go too risky with them. It's sometimes just fun to play around with them once in a while. There is quite a bit of institutional ownership. We've got 40% here, and their market cap, mind you, is only about 180 million or so. Now to show you one negative though that you need to keep in mind is that the Paycheck Protection Program has ended on May 31st, 2021, which was quite a while ago, but I did notice in the site, I couldn't find it again, but I saw that the CEO was mentioning this and how it's, you know, he's kind of negative about it. And, you know, this is a company that they have about 1 year out with the cash that they have. So you got to really watch out. It's definitely a speculative play. It is a small cap, so it can move quite a bit if there is good news. So you got to just kind of keep that in mind. Technicals say buy according to TradingView. I like using TradingView to look at the charts. Now I'm looking at the 3-month here. And we had a nice little rally over the last couple days. So I'd wait for a cool down. I would kind of look for probably the 100-day. It seems to bounce around from that. It hits under it semi-often, so it should be obtainable. Sometimes bounces right off it. So I'd wait for very close to the 100-day, if not under the 100-day. Although the 200, it seems to sometimes bounce off. Sometimes it just doesn't hold it. Kind of hard to draw a trend line. Maybe you could draw kind of in the middle of this and say that sometimes it goes under and sometimes it goes over. So anything under a certain line. I just drew kind of a trend line. I would try to buy under this line. But you know, if you wanted to place a stop loss of 5%, a trailing stop loss, say, and just maybe ride potential momentum, maybe see how it does Monday, place a stop loss, get out when it stops you out, and just play it kind of like that. Or if you're long term on it, if you are, let me know. I think that it just kind of all depends on that FDA approval. Now, another note here is that the FDA has assigned a Prescription Drug User-Free Act, PDUFA, target goal date of December 23, 2021. So keep that date in mind as well. There may be hype leading up to it, and that's one thing that the commenter mentioned. So, you know, maybe if you want to get in early, prepare for that. Totally up to you guys though. But what are you guys doing? Me personally, I'm probably going to place a stop loss and I'll just throw a little bit in here just for the hell of it on Tuesday. But alright everybody, that was just a quick brief dive into Aquestive Therapeutics, and the ticker symbol was AQST. Hope you guys do a great job. Me personally, I'm really excited to get into Tuesday. I hate these 3-day weekends. Thanks again guys, hope you got something out of this, and I will see you guys next time.